He doesn't inspect days, right? Let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today, well, I'm not really gonna be showcasing anything. I'm gonna just be showcasing a team style, which will be chocolate rain today. So yeah, you could say this is just a normal Calamander showcase, but we got health and defense with the trick chocolate drizzle. When this dude sent out, they summon chocolate rain with confetti wand. And for the moves, we have enlightenment, Lewis prayer, climate shot, and upsurge. Actually, hold up. Okay, this looks a lot better. We got enlightenment, Lewis prayer, nutrient drain, and upsurge. Enlightenment to set up, nutrient drain, stab plus get some health back, Lewis prayer. For the next, just to like enlightenment or nutrient drain, so we can get our health back with the next turn. Upsurge is for like metals and fires that just switching against us. I think they're gonna get switched in against us. So for the equipments, we got Glummish Cap, Valley of Tears, and Pure Tear. So yeah. But yeah, let's see how great is Chocolate Rain actually. Let's hop into the battles now, shall we? Good luck, have fun. This looks like a Trick Room team. So yeah. So it's gonna be Weather versus Trick Room. That's nice. I'm gonna lead with Fortnite. Yeah. I'm gonna actually just be something. Yeah, look, we don't really sacrifice much attack. I'm just don't need to act. Yeah. Spiky thorns. Okay. I guess I can just rest then. Keep this healthy. I'm gonna go into this, I guess. As he goes Terry, okay. So it's probably going to be smooth. Yeah. Probably has heat bash. But reverse dead end. Oh no. I hit and run. I think I wake up this time, right? No, okay. That crit was not necessary, but hey man. At least it's, I'm gonna just switch into Spider. then take out, I guess. Yeah, on the Quinento. Yep. This is going to do humongous damage. Yep. Then I can just go into this. I can title. That's Barbara Calento. Okay. If he goes into Prickles, I can go into Everstore. But no. I think I KO this. Yeah, with chocolate rain up and everything, I KO it. Please don't miss, bro. I'm telling you, please do not miss. Oh, just barely. That's alright. I can just go into Fruit Toad and then take out. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna switch in Everstore here. Yeah. Guess I can just hit and run. Back into Calamander to get my weather set up. I'm gonna just nutrient drain. Get my health back. Cool. I know what it's going for. I'ma just heat bash on the prickles. Yep. Bow. Mean. Don't really need this now. I'm gonna just hit and run again. But this stereo is slow, so it's probably. Oh, that's nice. Back into Ensign, okay. Yeah. Hello, Mantiscald. Something dies. Okay, bye-bye, Ensign. Ooh, no. That was mad lucky. That's alright. I can always just quiz the card. What you used. Okay, hold up. Alright, that's GG's. Yeah, that's GG's. That's GG's. I can just hit a run. I think that's still, yeah. Still good. I pivot out. You can just set this off. Yeah, Scoop Warlock can just win the game here. Okay, that's GG's. Let's hop into the next battle now, shall we? Oh my goodness. Okay, so hit. I don't really like these odds, but hey, no burning orb. That's nice. So Fumacho doesn't get burning orb anymore. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain. Actually, okay. Heat bash took little damage. I could just hit and run. To Fixie. Could just title slam. Oh, wish for power. Oh shoot. Yeah, you know what move I'm using. No. That just, oh my bro. Wow. It lived? It lived at 1? Bruh. And I can send this in. Well, auto fix is gonna be a problem now. I'll wall this. So now I'm gonna just hit and run. Yeah. He doesn't inspect days, right? Let's go. Okay. It's actually pretty W. Furious onslaught. Oh yeah, it does do that. I guess I can just storm heal. No reason not to. I don't know. I'm gonna see. Okay. Oh, floaty. Thank you for the defense stat. Please attack call you. Crystal cut. I forgot. I forgot that word like that. I guess I can just go fruit code. Yo, it just auto click. Yo, why did it just yo? Bro just auto clicked. It looked like he just auto clicked that. That's like 4 times resisted, right? Still good damage. Nah, only one. Okay. I'm just gonna go back into this. Bro try to reset. I mean, no. Bro try to predict. You know what? I'm gonna just sack this off. Yeah, what purpose did it have? Let me just go into Everstar again. Thank you for the defense stat. Okay, so I guess I can just hit and run. That how much it did? Yaxaruni. Guess I can take out. Back into this. Ow. Guess I can hit a run. I'm just going to food toad. Just take out again then. Keep just flashing. Yeah, I can just do it one time. I don't think that quit mattered, but it definitely did help. Here's what I do, okay? Go into this. Go back. Damn, flashing, right? Yeah, it's GG's. You can just sack food soda off. Oh, okay, GG, well played. Let's hop into the outro now, shall we? Okay. So, yeah. This chocolate rain team is actually pretty good. I mean, Calamander as a chocolate rain setter is one of the best setters in the game. Thornet is just Thornet. Thornet is just too bulky. And then Everstall is just like too bulky as well. That's why it has Thor in its name. And with Floaty, boost the defense, it goes crazy. So that's why I'm running more magical defensive bulk. Because we get because if we get hit with an air type Floaty. And Awakened Thornet benefits with Chocolate Rain because it heals. Fruit Toad is just Fruit Toad. It's just a mixed Toad. Like mixed defensive Toad. It has okay, anyways. So we got Fruit Toad, which is like a mixed defensive with defensive investment but with Secret Sweet, which helps its magical defense. So yeah, Thornet, Aerosol, and Fruit Toad benefit greatly from Chocolate Rain and Calamander too, because it gets extra healing, because it gets a heal move, and a heal ability technically. And then Chocolate Rain helps with Spiky Thorns. So Spiky Thorns takes like 20% of your damage. 20% of your health if you use a physical attack, I think. So that's why Chocolate Rain is also good to pair with physical attackers like Skorpiruli and Mantiscald. So yeah. This team right here is actually goated. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.